So I'm going to start with a conch shell, which wakes up, puts in the vibrations of joy into the universe.
Okay.
So everybody, and we're going to combine the instant meditation with the activation. So place your hand on your heart. Think of the person or place or music, whatever you love the most, that brings you the most love and joy in the world. Think of that now. Then take a nice deep breath in, breathing all that love into your heart, feeling your heart expanding beyond your body into just pure love, an ocean of love. And exhaling, letting go of everything that's not you, that's not pure love, that's not pure joy. So we see the energy of joy coming from the heavens down deep into our earth, nourishing Mother Earth, wakening her up her joy, reminding her of her joy, of her health of joy. And as it comes from Mother Earth back up to the top of the earth, people see the joy coming into your feet, into the feet of all people around you. Even if they're wearing shoes and boots, the joy is coming up their feet, into their bodies, all the way through their heads and into their breath and blood. And people in their joy are looking at their brothers and sisters of different colors and races and cultures and seeing the joy in them and seeing we are just brothers and sisters of joy. And we're so happy we're exhaling, and we're exhaling the joy, and that is bringing joy into the atmosphere and into the water. And the water and the earth are becoming joy, purified joy. And that is so much joy that it's creating crystals, and those crystals are reflecting and bringing light and joy to the stars and making the stars even shine brighter. And that's bringing the heavens and God, all the spirits and guides and archangels and angels and ascended masters. Everybody is so full of joy because the vision and the mission of the age of celebration is now activated. And we say, Amen, Aho, Oh, Om, joy, joy, joy.